Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You're starting now. Plug the Chromecast into TV and power it. On your phone, open Google Home and look for the stuck device. If it does not appear, enable Bluetooth. Once you see the device, tap it, then choose the three-dot menu and select Settings to begin network changes. Make sure the phone's location and Bluetooth are enabled so discovery works. If the Chromecast uses an older QR setup, be ready to scan or enter device code manually. Next, you'll remove the old network and inject the new one. First, forget the current Wi-Fi in the device settings, so Chromecast will accept a fresh setup. Then connect your phone to the new network or create a hotspot matching the new SSID and password. Now run Setup Device New Device in Google Home. The app will search and send credentials. If it prompts for permission to use Bluetooth or location, allow it. That step is what lets the phone talk to Chromecast. Finish by following the on-screen pairing and naming prompts. Once done, check device info to confirm the new SSID is listed. If connection fails, reboot both the router and the Chromecast. Power cycling resolves most IP or DHCP conflicts. Make sure the routers too. 4 GHz versus 5 GHz choice matches device capability. If problems persist, perform a factory reset on the Chromecast and read.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.